Hey everyone, it's Tutor Brian. I'm doing a review video on the Fluidmaster premium tank lever. It is the handle that goes on a toilet and attaches to the lever that pulls the chain that pulls the flapper and initiates the flushing of the toilet. My previous one had broken, so I was looking for a replacement. I found this one at Home Depot for the price of $15.98. It's not one of the lower priced ones. I wanted something that looked durable and was easy to assemble. It's something that just an ordinary person, not necessarily a handyman, can put together and do it themselves to repair the lever inside the toilet, which attaches to the handle that flushes the toilet. This brand Fluidmaster has several different styles, and the design handles look different on each of the styles. This is the traditional one. This is what the handle looks like, and the color is brushed nickel. There are other color options available as well. I'm going to take it out of the packaging and look at the parts, get an idea of how to put it together before actually beginning the install in the toilet. These are the parts: toilet handle, the trim that goes behind the toilet handle, the mount, and the lock nut. This goes outside of the toilet. This one goes inside of the toilet, and they meet with the front part of the tank of the toilet in between. This is the arm. And it can adjust to change the angle of where the handle will go in the toilet. So this unlocks it, and the angle where the handle will go can go anywhere from the side of the toilet, at an angle, or at the very front of the toilet. And then it can be locked back into place. And these holes are different spots to hang the chain, depending on the length of where the chain comes out. When it puts together, this goes on the mount and goes into the front of the toilet. This locks it in, and then the arm goes through here, and there's little notches here in a cross shape to match the outline, these little holes here, so the trim will snap on, then the toilet handle snaps on, so when this pushed down, it will pull the chain and flush. Stop the water. Take the lock nut out, the mount through. This part is optional, it's only for larger size holes. tighten the lock nut. Set the arm angle at the correct one. Attach the lock. Attach the arm through the mount. And once the right angle is found for the arm, lock it. Put the trim through. And snap on the handle. This is the old lever arm. I'm going to take the chain off of it and attach it to the new one. There should be some slack on the chain. Giving the handle a try.